These noodles smell delicious. Now to add some sauce to them. They turned really, really bright. What's this weird feeling? I'm being pulled away.
Wow.
Wow, I like this setup even better, especially since there are chips here. I wonder what flavor we got. Whoa, I'm getting an influx of power. These chips turn me into Supergirl. Cool.
Haha.
Well then, it's time to fly off and save the world. Let's see what there is to be done. Oh no, I dropped my ice cream. Aha, I see that someone needs rescuing. Help is on the way. Hello, I've got a surprise for you. Enjoy.
Wow!
You saved the day, Supergirl. Mission accomplished. Where have you been? Oh, I had a pressing matter to attend to. I almost forgot. I have Pringles too. Here's hoping they're just as magical. It's happening. Wow, call me Iron Woman. Ow, that hurt. Stupid ball. I'll show you what's what right now.
Wow!
Wow, you squeezed that down a size. Not stopping there. You're so strong. Oh, that was nothing.
Oh, man!
Oh man, our superpowers are gone. This sucks. Red eggs? Well, these are unusual. I suggest we make this into a race. Start in 3, 2, 1, go! I'm confident in my abilities. You won't beat me. You're about to eat your words. I'll destroy these in seconds. That looks rather off-putting. Good thing I know how to defeat this competition. I've got a special egg here. You won't slow me down. I'll eat anything. Whoa, that was intense. But I don't give up easy either. Soap ought to do the trick. Some of these eggs taste a bit different. Strange. You've got to be kidding. Oh, was that a soap bubble? Oh well. This is the last card I can play. A raw egg instead of a hard-boiled one. All right, not much left now. Ew, what the heck? I finally got you. Yes. You mean to say you did this? Then this is for you. Oh, come on, it was just a joke. Red Fanta? I've never had this before. Is it strawberry flavored? Only one way to find out. And I'll be sipping on my blue beverage. Ooh, so pretty. Mine's much brighter. That doesn't change the taste. Oh, yes, it does. This is the best drink ever. The best, you say? I'm gonna show you how to get really creative with cocktails. And for that, I'll need to turn to science. All right, I've got my blue soda. Now I need some of yours.
Haha!
Don't even think about it. Whoa, what is that? It can't be. Bought it. And I'll take that. Time to get mixing already. Oops, something isn't right here. Now that was a flavor explosion. I knew it wasn't worth trying. Popcorn kernels and a weird spray? I can't even imagine what this is about. At least my dish is fully straightforward. A whole bag of Skittles. Though it's a pain that all the colors are mixed together. I'll have to pick out the red ones. A magnifying glass will make this go much faster.
Ooh.
This one's for me, and this one too. Well, I should take some action myself if I want to eat something. Whoa, the spray is turning the kernels into blue popcorn. I can't believe my eyes. I have to try that stuff for myself. Ooh. What just happened? Where'd she go? Come back, Olivia. Maybe this red candy will undo whatever you've done. Oh, thank goodness, I'm back. That was wild. Can we just stick to our own food? What big, beautiful lollipops. And it tastes just heavenly. But I do feel like it's missing something. Like M&Ms, for example. The perfect topping. Hey, want to see a cool trick? Watch this. Nice, now it's even better.
Wow.
That is so beyond good. I want to add candy to mine too. Help me out? Of course. Anything for you. Even my button necklace. They do look a lot like little candies. Just 1 second, please. I need to do one last thing. There you go. Go for it, Olivia.
Wow!
Something's caught in my mouth. Where'd all these buttons come from?
Oh, man!
How is this possible? Surprise! Didn't see that coming, did you? Don't be mad, that was hilarious. Empty plates? This so doesn't work for me. Ooh, I've got something now. Me too. I need to take a closer look.
Wow!
Huh, there's a button here. It lights up.
Wow!
Mine should do the same, right? How pretty. This makes me think of laser beams. Oh, wow, there's so many here. But me, I've got all the grace of a cat. I can make my way through these. Down, back, and now forward. I'm doing it. I can even dance my way around them. Hello? Are you in there? I guess she's totally lost in a daydream. Might as well follow her lead. These lights are just like strobes at a dance party. I see someone's having fun. Well, I can't just let this opportunity pass me by. A foam party. More or less. That's what it looks like she's enjoying. A whole box of M&Ms? Now that's what I'm talking about. I've got some kind of liquid candy. Also not bad. I can't stop myself when there's chocolate around. One piece? No way! Only 3? There has to be more in here, and I'm going to get them all out. Watch it! Oops, I might have made a mess. Yeah, you think? We're gonna be picking up M&Ms for hours. But first, I suggest we give my treat a try. Have some, Olivia. You got it all over my face. Well, here's some for you. My turn. What did you just do? Oh, you're right. This is fun. Wow, this is a lot of pizza.
Ooh.
You've got a massive pile of them.
Yeah!
And while I still think my pizza looks better, there's only one. Stop staring at my portion.
Okay.
Might as well enjoy what I got then. That's an unusual way to eat pizza. It's quite convenient, actually. You can try and look on the bright side all you want, but there's no arguing about it. I got the better end of this deal, and now I need to cut my pizza. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. I'm drooling over here. Then look elsewhere. There's no point in fawning over my food. I think I'll go with a different solution. You can't do that. Be my guest, Lucy.
Okay.
No? Alright, then I'll look first. I can't believe it. It's a chili pepper.
Ooh.
I'm afraid to even imagine how many peppers I've got. Oh my goodness. Hang in there, Luce. We've got to be strong. Whew, that's spicy. See? I could handle the heat. Now you. Alright, I'll follow your lead then. I think this is going pretty well, don't you? The last one?
Oh, man!
Uh-oh, something's wrong. Lucy, you've turned into a dragon. Thank goodness that's over. I don't think it is. Time to gear up. I need a strong shield and a helmet, too.
Ooh.
I think it's over. Woo! Phew, we both survived. More or less, yeah. A whole bowl full of M&Ms? This is what dreams are made of. If I'm being honest, I'm super jealous. I got one measly piece of candy, but perhaps I can fix that. What'll happen if I plant it? Wow, it's blooming!
Yeah!
A candy tree? This is amazing.
Wow.
Just look at how much candy I have now, Mike. I've never seen anything like that. Time to shake them all loose.
Wow!
I'm just so happy. Aw, come off it. That's small fry stuff. I'll show you what a real tree looks like. Plant this and water it, of course. Check it out, it's working! Holy cow, this thing is tall. You ready to really shake things up? Sugary hail! Sorry, I didn't think that through. That really hurt. But you can't be mad at the results. A leaning tower of Oreos? Not a bad start to another round. I've got a really sweet-looking cookie too, but it just can't compare to your serving. Luck is my middle name. Might as well get used to it. That's good.
Yeah!
I'm so happy that's just the beginning.
Okay.
This time, I won't just give in to things. I've got a plan to beat all plans. I'm gonna turn my precious cookie into a hypnotic device. Look out, Mike. You'll soon be under my control. You're getting very sleepy, my friend. Your cookies are mine. Yes! Worked like a charm. This is heaven on earth. I'm stuffed like never before, but I have zero regrets. Just one Oreo left. Oh no! Gross! I forgot about the toothpaste.
Huh? What? Did I fall asleep? Where's my food?
I can't answer you, Mike. I've got problems of my own. Wow!
Hot dogs. Now these are a great means for fueling up.
Agreed. I'm a big fan of them too.
Slow your roll, Lucy. You need some mustard first.
That stuff's too spicy for me.
Don't you worry, this is honey mustard. Just what you need.
Oh, well in that case, pour it on, Mike. Nice flavor.
Wait for it.
I'm burning up!
Give it a second, it'll pass soon enough. You can distract yourself by helping me with mine.
Open up real wide. The game is about to begin. Ooh. Are they all going to you? This sucks.
Sorry, but they weren't meant for me.
Okay.
I can see you're super full.
Wow!
Has Lady Luck finally left my side?
Pretty obvious she has. Just look at this huge mound of marshmallows. Your portion pales in comparison.
What a joke.
Okay.
But I'll take this letdown in stride. Or maybe I'll just grab a few from Lucy.
Don't even try.
Come on, I just wanted one or two.
Oh, fine, you win. Catch.
Where'd it go?
Well, that got rid of him easily enough, and I'll scarf down all the rest while he's gone.
Oh, man!
Where in the heck did that stick go? It disappeared into thin air. I couldn't find them in the end.
Oh man, I think I might burst.
You look like a human marshmallow. Yes! I'm the winner chicken dinner again.
These are weirdly cute in a way. And it's kind of fun to roll them around like this. Wow.
Uh-huh.
I'll show you how to really have some fun, Lucy.
I'm being attacked by an alien!
Don't be silly, it's just me. I've got so many gummy eyes, I can do whatever I want with them.
Boo! That won't work a second time.
Oh, alright, I've got better things to do than scare you anyway.
Okay.
Like eating these bad boys. They're all so tasty, I can't stop. And why should I?
Hey, eyes off my eye. It's for me, and I'm looking forward to eating it. Thank you very much.
Watch it! You sprayed me with syrup.
Oh, did I? Sorry. Ooh.
I'm all sticky thanks to you, Lucy.
Wow. Charlotte and Angie seriously love strawberries with chocolate, and can you blame them? But they're thinking about adding a little something else. Oops, swing and a miss. Try again. What a nightmare! Put it all back! Phew, Angie finally got the hang of that wand, but the image of chocolate-covered Mike is still in my head. Ooh, it's a fountain. Fantastic. And we're starting things off with a gummy eyeball and a fiery pepper.
Hey!
Angie knows how to upgrade her tasty treat even further. She sticks a stick in it. Now that's rather handy. Charlotte is not nearly as happy. She bravely layers on the chocolate and hopes for a miracle. You never know what can happen, right? This time, everything turned out as bad as she thought. Fire! Good thing Angie thinks quickly on her feet. Not the best solution, maybe, but hey, it worked. Oop. Chips, amazing. Ew, fish. Charlotte is batting 2-0 right now. There's got to be a way to fix this. No?
Hey!
Angie, why don't you go first and try out that sweet and salty combination?
Ooh!
Wow, did the Pringle just turn into chocolate? Now that's even better.
Hey!
I wonder if that'll happen to the fish, too. Just go for it and believe in the magic, Charlotte.
Hey!
Look, it actually worked! That fishy looks about 1,000 times more appetizing than it did before. Angie's a bit jealous and wants in on such a fun treat. Ange? Ooh, didn't she notice the thing hadn't changed? Ugh, revolting. And what are these little guys? How sweet. Charlotte, are you cursed or what? There is nothing sweet at all about broccoli. While Angie plays with her hard candy pacifiers, Charlotte is only thinking about how horribly unlucky she is. Oh, Angie has gotten lost in a daydream. She's completely checked out right now. She's imagining what it would be like to be a famous actress or model who's showered with gifts and flowers.
Ew.
Oh, back in the real world, she's holding on to a much different kind of plant. But still, she's got suckers, so not all is lost. Charlotte's not even getting upset anymore. If she's got broccoli, fine, she can deal. Impressive. Angie, the tables had to turn eventually. Nice onion.
Ooh!
Charlotte, however, is finally smiling from ear to ear.
Ew.
Angie has sunk her teeth into her dish. She doesn't recommend anyone tries this ever. Oh, are her tears made of chocolate too?
Ew.
Charlotte is trying to determine how to get at the good stuff inside her melon. No worries, she's got the best means of hacking up fruit there is. Whoa, who knew the girl was a fruit ninja? That's one dangerous talent. Finally, Charlotte can enjoy the first good dish she got. We all know just how delicious, fresh, juicy watermelon is, made all the better by chocolate. Delish. Uh-oh, Angie's got an evil look in her eye. She can't let Charlotte be happy, and she's planning on ruining the whole fountain by adding a dash of wasabi to it. Ooh, that is awful. Charlotte was so focused on her first enviable round. Never get distracted during a challenge. Angie, that may have been funny, but it wasn't nice at all. A match made in heaven, Coca-Cola and French fries.
Ooh!
The best. Our contestants don't waste any time whatsoever and quickly stick their fries in the fountain.
Ooh! Wow!
Nice. They turn into chocolate candy sticks. Amazing! I wonder if that means the soda is cocoa flavored too. No, Angie has the regular stuff.
Ooh.
But Charlotte has something better. A downpour of candy. I bet that's a one-of-a-kind drink.
Ooh.
Angie, of course, wants a sip of something that's special too, but she has to pay for her greed. The girl's dripping with chocolate. Here's hoping it doesn't stain. Drumsticks? Well, sure, by themselves, they're great. But with chocolate? I don't know. Charlotte has a much better option. She needs an extra large spoon to get the most out of this. Yum. Chocolate and candy. What could be better? Bigger than she thought it was. For a spoon that size, she needs a bigger head. Whoa, no friggin' way. How'd she do that? They say where there's a will, there's a way. Guess it's true.
Ew.
Angie tries to resist, but she's going to have to give it a taste one way or another. Looks like chicken drizzled with barbecue sauce, but the flavor isn't nearly the same. It's tons better, actually. Unusual, to be fair, but great.
Ooh.
Charlotte's eye has been caught. She jumps onto each and every bandwagon. And she wants to kick things up a notch further. Big mistake. Angie got you so good.
Ew.
Well, hello there, Mr. Teddy. The perfect dessert. Whereas a chicken sandwich is better for lunch, and sans chocolate. Thank you very much. Charlotte isn't taking this laying down. She's getting rid of all the fixings. There, a bun dipped in chocolate? That's a whole other story. Now it's more like a breakfast pastry.
Ew.
Now a big, beautiful gummy bear dipped in chocolate. That's what dreams are made of. And it's worth fighting for. Charlotte is determined to win this one.
Hey.
Ouch! If you had just asked, you could have avoided that pain, Charlotte.